It's $180.
Yeah, $180
At
microphone.
least you got a microphone. Man, I would kill myself.
Hey you guys, what's up? Hey guys, out here. This is a new vlog, Dutch vlog. What's good? Mike is over here making drinks. Let's get right. Sully's also making drinks. We got Cameron at bar. We got Lauren over there at window too. We got Sully's big fish. Let's go. Special edition. Let's get right.
Hey yo guys, what is up? I'm gonna be fixing my car up a little bit today. I scraped off my under shroud when I was heading to work yesterday. Here's a photo of that. And I'm going to be getting a bolt that I tore off when I crashed into the curb at Wendy's. So yeah, I have a couple bolts and washers here. So let's go see if any of those fit. And if not, then we're gonna go to Home Depot or Lowe's and pick up some hardware. Man, so I had to take this off right before work yesterday. It was a little late. I found a washer that might fit, barely too small. So hopefully we'll put that on today. We'll see if it starts raining or not. And then we have the fender over here. This piece right here. So hopefully we can fix that too. So I found some bolts and a washer that are about the right size. I just need to do a few tweaks to them and then I'll get the right ones. Let's go get those parts. They're in Home Depot right now. So let's go find those. All right guys, we got the parts. Now let's go back, test out these parts. Hey yo guys, what is good? The under shroud is on completely. I never really got to show you guys that completely, but here it is right now. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it, but I'll throw in a little bit of B-roll right here. But the under shroud is on, so is the fender. The fender is nice and fixed right here. No more little wobbly boy. And yeah, and in this next clip I'm about to show you guys, basically what happened. I didn't really explain it because we were really upset at the time, but Zach ordered the wrong part for his car. He ordered a 2013 O2 sensor for his car, and he has a 2012 Genesis. So that is why it did not fit. We didn't really explain that in the video, but yeah, if there's gonna be one tip for you guys to save money and time when modifying your car, is order the right parts. Do not order the wrong parts. That is a huge tip for you guys. Most people know that, pretty common sense, but just always double check. Hey yo guys, good morning, what's poppin'? We're here with good old Zachary.
Yeah.
And the Genesis. And we're going to be putting on the O2 housing on the Genesis. Basically test pipes, but for a Genesis.
Jenny is a beauty. She's kind of rough. I bought her, spent $3 grand on a new timing belt. She got this beautiful carbon fiber hood right there. Ben's doing some serious mechanic work. Got that carbon fiber trunk right there. Got this totally real carbon fiber top lip. Got these custom rear window fenders, custom carbon gas cap. And I want to say she's twin turboed, rocking about 574 horsepower now. I got Ben every day, we see him on the road. I would show you both turbos, but they're kind of hard to look at. Second one's pretty hard to see. It's deep down in the engine there. See how the progress is going?
Yeah, this one's not fun.
Benjamin Tong in action.
Yup. Alright guys, we got the two under shrouds off. That one right there and that one right there. Now we have to take off the catalytic converter right here. One right now.
Is that one missing?
It is. Okay, so look at this. We only have 2 bolts to take off. If you look here on Jenny, that bolt right there is supposed to be there, but it's not.
Jenny's a whole mess.
There's 2 right there, so we're taking those 2 off. There's probably some connected to the downpipe. So we're gonna have to take those off, take the O2 sensors off, put in the O2 housing, put them back on, just reverse process, and we should.
Ow! Bless me.
Hey yo guys, what is good? Austin just pulled up. Did record his car for a second, but the mic wasn't on. There's Austin George. What'd he do, Austin? But yeah, we're out here trying to get the one O2 sensor off. I just sprayed a bunch of WD-40, and there's a drainage pipe right where his face is. Look at Zach.
Hey.
Inspirational. O2 sensors right there. It's not coming off. We've been at it for like probably a little over half an hour, so yeah, that's dope.
You said it gets more power.
Turns the red, turns the...
That is not gonna work.
See, if we had an adapter for the breaker bar, we'd be fine.
That's not gonna work.
This thing's torque is insane.
If you took this off. Shut up. Is there part of that? I don't have.
Oh, you don't have stud kit.
I need to go buy some.
Well,
Bolts.
I have a stud. Wait.
Why?
There's not even spots for studs on this one.
No, it'd be on the other side. It'd be on this side.
No, I just need these.
There's no spot for studs on these because those
put a bolt
those
there.
screw into this.
What are you talking about?
Plus,
Look at
this
you get
goes
two
right
bolts
here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you get 2 bolts. Put one right there, and 2 nuts, and you're chilling.
Yeah,
These
I
are
need
studs,
bolts.
though.
You don't
Yeah.
need studs. You need bolts.
The problem is we don't have bolts or studs.
Stop filming.
That's what you need. Okay,
I
right?
have a 13.
Are you sure you have a 13?
Yeah. I hate you. Well, this is very eventful. With a pipe that doesn't fit.
Hey, at least you got a free microphone. It wasn't free. It was $180.
Yeah, $180
At least
microphone.
you got a microphone.
Ah! Yeah, I looked up a video and it's not supposed to look how mine does. So.
Love 2012. That's why.
Sick.
Ah! I have to put all this back on.
Well, on the bright side, at least I know I could buy 2012 products online now.
Man, I would kill myself.
The ad for your car really says 2012 Genesis.
Definitely could have said 2013.
All right, we're gonna try with the new ISR O2 housing.
I don't think he's gonna build any boost.
New ISR. Oh my! Oh my! Man,
Oh, you smell that?
we're not getting right today. Man, did you put a gasket in there? This is so sad. Is that the gasket? We didn't even put the gasket in.
Is that okay?
And thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.